Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of using products on your skin that are not working for you? Or are you having issue with dull skin and you don't know what exactly to use on your skin to achieve a glowing skin or to fix your dull skin? In today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can fix a dull skin if you have one. So if this sounds like something you really want to hear or learn more, please watch this video till the end. If you want to fix your dull skin, the first thing you have to do is to identify your skin type. Okay, if you identify your skin type, you would be able to choose the right product for your skin. Sometimes when you have a dull skin, you keep changing product. When you use this for some few weeks, it's not working for you, you stop it, then you switch to another one. You use that one, it's not working for you, you stop it, then you switch to another one. When it happens like that, you are rather damaging the skin. You are not helping the skin to glow. Okay, and moreover, you need to know the kind of soaps you use. There are some people, when they have a dull skin, you don't really need anything strong or anything whitening. You need something mild that can fix the skin for you. And moreover, if you have a dull skin, you don't need a strong or a whitening product or a whitening lotion, a whitening cream, or a whitening oil. You need something mild to fix the skin. Okay, and the reason why we get dull skin is that maybe you have a normal skin, you have a combination skin. Then instead of you to explain to your vendor that this is the type of skin type that you have, you don't do that. Your vendor too don't know your skin type. The vendor just recommend anything for you. So maybe probably if you have a normal skin, the vendor end up like selling a whitening product for you. If you have a normal skin, you don't really need anything strong, you don't need anything whitening, you need something mild. So dull skin is not a problem. Dull skin is something that you can fix. Okay, so don't worry. So let's take it from here. If you have a dull skin, all you have to do is to get a very good body scrub. And the body scrub, you can get KK Brothers, they have a body scrub. You can get Vidgo, they have a body scrub. You can get a very nice other branded body scrub. And moreover, if you can produce a scrub by yourself in the house or in your home, you can also do it and use it on your skin. And moreover, you have to understand that if you have a dull skin, exfoliating the skin is very important. Okay, you need to exfoliate the skin at least twice in a week or once in a week, depending your skin type. If you have a sensitive skin, avoid the body scrub. If you have an oily skin, avoid the body scrub. And if you have a normal skin, a combination skin, a dry skin, you can use a body scrub. Okay, so make sure you exfoliate the skin very well. Okay, and also make sure you cleanse the skin very well. There are some people, they don't clean their skin. They feel like taking my bath once in a day, it's okay. Sometimes we step out to town, we roam, we sweat, we come back, then we don't even shower. We just go off to bed and we sleep. Then the next day, before you see us bathing. And it's not a good habit. It's a very bad habit at all. So if you have a dull skin, make sure you cleanse the skin morning and evening. At least twice a day, you should be able to cleanse the skin as well. And if you have a dull skin, always use a very good cleanser on your face. And the cleanser should be used before bathing. Don't use your cleansers or your cleanser after bathing. Okay, and the cleanser should be used only in the evening. Don't use your cleanser and expose your face under the sun. Sometimes you end up darkening your face. So make sure your cleanser should be used in the evening before bathing. And also another thing you have to understand, that if you have a dull skin, get a very good body product, a very good body soap. You can get FMAX soap. It's involve a body scrub that you can use to glow the skin or to fix your dull skin. You can also get Vidgold soap to use on the skin. You can also get extract white soap to use on the skin as well. You can get nano soap to use on the skin as well. These are all good soaps that you can use to fix your dull skin. And make sure that these soaps that you are going to get, you get the original ones and use. Okay, and also you need to get a very good oil When I mean oil, it's not a whitening oil. Get a very nice glowing oil like smooth diamond vitamin C oil, Vit Gold vitamin C oil, and use. These are all oils that you can use to repair your dull skin. And moreover, if you want to mix any cream with your oil and use, if you have a dull skin, the best thing you have to get is a shea butter or maybe a Vaseline to use on your skin. Or if you know somebody that formulates skincare products like Lartini skincare, yes, you can get in touch with the person or with me, share your problems with the person, or let the person know your skin type so that the vendor recommend a very good skincare product for you. Like they can recommend a set for you, and the set that they will be recommending should be something mild that will help to fix your dull skin. Okay, and also you need to eat healthy foods. If you have a dull skin, avoid this kind of carbonated drinks, Coca-Cola, Rush, like this kind of drinks that will not help the skin to glow. You have to avoid them. If you have a dull skin, make sure you avoid junky foods. Okay, eat healthy food, eat organic foods that will work on the skin for you. You know, sometimes what we eat also affects the skin. What we eat also plays so many roles on the skin. So drink healthy juice. You can blend a carrot and drink. You can blend beetroot and drink. You can blend grapes and drink. Like prepare this kind of homemade juice by yourself and take. Sometimes if you have a dull skin, it's not about using expensive product too. It's all about eating healthy, good foods and drinking healthy juice as well. If you have a dull skin, make sure you hydrate the skin, drink enough water, avoid stress, avoid depression, avoid anything that will not help you to glow. Okay, go to places that will make you happy, communicate with friends, trusted friends that maybe when you are going through something, you can share your problems with them and they will help you out. Okay, don't harbor pains within you. You know, sometimes when you are stressed out, do you know it affects the skin, especially your face? Me like this, when I'm stressed out, I'm depressed, it affects my whole body, it affects the whole skin, especially my face. So make sure you avoid stress, you avoid depression when you are going through something. Communicate with good people, people that will help you to come out from that situation. It's very, very important. Okay, so dull skin can be fixed. Just get the best product, the best brightening product, the best lightening product, the best bathing soap to use on the skin. Okay, so if you have issue with dull skin, you've used a whole lot of products but none seems to work for you, please get in touch with Lartini Skincare. We have so many products that we can recommend for you to fix your dull skin. Okay, if you want to get in touch with Lartini Skincare, you can search us on Instagram at Lartini Skincare, on Facebook at Lartini Skincare, on TikTok at Lartini Skincare. And also, the easiest way to get in touch with us is to WhatsApp us on 027 159 4053. And please, this is Lartini Skincare channel. I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.